Trump now understands that he has to finally deal with the health care crisis his legislation, the big, beautiful bill, has caused. Trump may be crazy and Trump may lie all of the time, but he's a good politician. He is seeing the same polls that I am seeing. And that is all over this country. The American people are saying, you know what? We can't afford health care now. And you, Mr. Trump, want to double health care premiums for over 20 million people. You want to throw 15 million people off the health care that they have. You're going to destroy a broken health care system. We may not be able to recover from that. I think Trump understands that. The Republicans understand that. And I wish that the Speaker of the House, Mr. Johnson, had not given his members a vacation, taken them out of Washington. In the middle of this crisis, they're not here. That's pretty pathetic.